Guys, in our very last tutorial, we looked at how to use Vlookup function to pull data from one table, then place them in another table where we want them to be. But in that tutorial, we were pulling data from a table which was within the same worksheet. Yes, it was a table like this. You can see like this is a table, then the table from where we were pulling that data was just beside it. So it was on the same worksheet. But then today we want to look at how you can pull this data from different worksheets, then place them in a different worksheet. Like here you can see we have a worksheet for customer quote, that's the first worksheet. Then the second worksheet where we now have the data which you want to pull. For example, the short description, category, retail price, and the discount. All this data or all these records are found in a different worksheet named International Price List. Yes, when we come to the International Price List, you can see we have the short description, the retail price, and the category. Now what we want to do, we want to pull, for example, the records under short description from the International Price List, then place them here, then followed by category, then retail price. Now, how are we going to do this? Now, I know it is going to be very, very messy unless we get very, very smart at this point. Now, the very, very first step, come to the table array from where you want to pull the records. Like this is the International Price List. Then convert that data into a table. It is going to be very, very easy for us to work with it when it is in a table form and give that table a name. So that is the first step. Now we click into that, just come into insert, then table. Then of course our table has headers. We already have our table. Then we are just going to come to where we have our name box, then just call it international. International list. Just give it that name. We are done with that. Now when we come back to our customer quote table, we are going to start with the short description. We are going to type equal sign VLOOKUP, that is just vertical lookup. Then our lookup value here is still the item code, comma, it is followed by the table array. Now table array is the international price list from where we want to pull these short description records. So we are just going to type the name that we had assigned to our table. It is international list. Guys, do you see how easy it is when we have converted our data into a table, then give it a name? If we had not done that, it meant that we could have come back here. Let me show you. We could have come back here to where we have our international price list. Then we could have started to copy the whole table. It could have been very, very messy. So let us go back. Equal sign VLOOKUP. That is our lookup value. Our table array is now international list. Our column index number, it is column index number 3. Then it is supposed to be exact match because those are unique values. Then you can see we have the first one. Then just double click to copy it down. The next part is category column. Let us go back to our international price list and see what column is the category. It is 1, the first column, 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So our category column is supposed to be number 5. Let us come back to our customer quote worksheet. Again, type VLOOKUP. Again, the lookup value is let us come back here. VLOOKUP. That is our lookup value. The table array is still the international list. Column index number, we have seen it is number 5. Again, it is exact match. Then again, copy it down. We have our categories. Our category records have been pulled, and now we have it and our customer quote worksheet. Now the last part is the retail price. Let us come back again and see which number is the retail price column. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Now the retail price column is number 4. Let us come back again. It is still the same process, VLOOKUP. That is the lookup value. The item code is the lookup value. Table array is still the international list. It is number 4. Then again, it is exact match. You can see we have our first retail price, then copy it down. Then we have everything. Now guys, this is how easy it is to work with VLOOKUP function across various worksheets. So I know it is going to be very, very tedious to be copying one column after another after another. Now in our next tutorial, we'll be looking at how you can just modify your VLOOKUP function to accommodate all these columns with one click.